Hello, na good morning. Nang hawal kita man meri set stop lo. Usat come across na watching this la video. May like taking this la moment. Na wishing you a Merry Christmas na happy prosperous New Year 2025. This year 2025 and me bring him plenty good plus something come to life for me. Plenty good plus some plus challenges where me plus face him inside of this year. That's all big plus something Papa God and me rocks him life for me. Na emi give him this life na em protect him this life inside lo yumi na yumi walk about come in up successfully yumi complete him this year 2025 bla talk thank you big plan inside lo this year 2025 some plus challenges we me plus face him come inside lo this year me plus walk about challenges me plus face him situations him come one kind of him inside the Bible yumi read him me look him life blow Joseph time like come up governor lo Egypt instead of this level about belongan em dreaman I'm looking mosem all brothers plan ba kam broken bow down longan na broken screw longan this la dreaman pa bagot sawi mem na em look savel this la dreaman I'm sing out longan taso logo kisim this la sing out longan I must have to pay price all brothers longan must go salimem na I must go stop la aus for 45 for 13 years lo aus for 45 na I must come up slave Laos blo 40 na making work blo 40 stop inap meri blo 40 I must mangal spirit go inside longan so that I must rouse him Joseph blo this lab na karem go put him blo prison na right time blo Joseph blo this la up blo losing prison em come this la time em losing prison na em go lo receiving blessing blongan one kind of soul inside the life plus challenges na situations all come Papa God look him stop na all get something come up test him you lo look him faith blow you on him kind faith you stop and test him you lo look him this la na I'm looking most him you strong enough lo handle him you strong enough lo come up governor you strong enough lo come up member you strong enough lo come up one pla kind man Papa God put him sing out inside lo you that's the timing blow you right time Papa God but rouse him you lo this la bless you stop long and bring him you gonna bless him you lo this la morning time me like speaking one pla talk lo you same you are born not by mistake you born lo this la ground you got them plan na purpose lo you na you born lo this la morning me like encourage him you this la year 2025 and me bring him challenges come lo me year 2026 is the beginning of 50 years next 50 years lo Papua New Guinea by Kolongan